this is Josie. Welcome to my channel. Hi guys, and welcome once again back here to my channel. It is myself, Josie. Now before we continue guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And when you hit the subscribe button, don't forget to hit the notification bell. And what that does is let you guys know when I uploaded another awesome video for you guys. In today's video guys, we are going to do an LOL surprised inspired centerpiece guys. And I'm going to start by being truthful to you guys. I don't know anything about LOL surprise dolls. But I know that I've gotten a couple of inquiries on centerpieces for that particular theme. And I don't have one yet. So I figure why not make one and show you guys how to make one. So as you guys know, I always like to start with my box, and this is a 4x4x4 box. When you guys buy my kit from my Etsy shop, the boxes come flat like this. And basically what you do is you get it, and then it's pretty self-explanatory. So it ends up like this. You fold the ends down and you do this guys. And then these flaps, I put glue and they go inside. And then this flap, I put hot glue on it and it goes inside like that. So after it's glued down and everything, you have your box. You guys know I like to paint. And when I paint them, I use a sponge brush. And there's really no scientific method to it. I just put a big blob of whatever paint I'm going to use. And I go ahead and paint the box. If it's a dark color like this one, a bright color, I usually just need one coat of paint. But if it's a very light color, and usually it's the yellows and like the baby greens, it requires a good 4 coats, guys. So don't get discouraged if after your first coat, it doesn't look like the color you want. So after I let them dry and they're ready to go, I take my styrofoam, and it's just this little block, guys, that I cut down from a bigger styrofoam. Hot glue at the bottom, and then just put it in the middle like so. And you don't want to put the stick right away in there because it's going to interact with the glue that's already at the bottom. So I say give it a couple of minutes before you actually stick the stick in. And when I say the stick, I'm talking about the dowels. And you guys will have to I have to apologize, guys. I am not wearing my glasses and I am not wearing contacts. I have my ring light on, and I don't like the glare that my glasses have. I have an appointment, FYI. I have an appointment for my eyeglass. It's an eye doctor appointment, and I am gonna go back to contacts, guys. But with that being said, when I talk about the stick, it's the dowel. It's the wooden dowel. And when you purchase the kit from my Etsy shop, this is also included. So usually I paint about 12 of these, and then they dry, and then I insert the box for 12 of them, and then they dry, and then we go ahead and put the dowel. For this centerpiece, like I said, guys, I have no knowledge of the dolls. I chose just the cute ones I thought were cute. I Googled the images online, and then I copy paste to publisher and put a little glow around it, and then I have this. I went ahead and cut this one out. It's cute. You know, it's a 50 girls. If you guys know her name, comment down below. So this is going to be the image, and then I went ahead and did the LOL surprise logo, I believe, and which is going to be on the box. And for this one, I decided to combine the box with yellow because of her hair. So we're going to go ahead, and I'm just going to add a strand around the box. And usually when I do this, I measure like so, make sure it goes all around the box, and then I cut. Like so. And then I go ahead and proceed. The seams, I want them to end in the front because the LOL logo, the little cutout, it's going to go over it. And then you just have nothing but, you know, nice seams seamless around the box. So I'm gonna get my glue gun. And yes, guys, I still have my Christmas decorations up. Whew, that was hot. I've been extra busy lately, and I don't have it. And I told myself I have to put them down this weekend. There's no other way. So Christmas is almost over. So it looks something like this, guys. And this is what I mean with the seams ends up in the front. So after you get that, I'm going to get the logo and I am going to glue it like so. And that's going to cover that right there. So I'm going to put glue on the logo and just place it like so in the middle. And you have that, guys. And I apologize if this video is not clear or anything like that. Like I said, I am super blind. I can't even see myself right now, but it's fine. So I'm going to go ahead and move on to my image and, gluing it to the dowel. And you guys know that I like to see about how high I want it. And I think that's a good size right there. And what I do is I put my thumb right there. I don't have nails on thumb. And I add glue right on the stick. As soon as I do that, I glue the image like so. And then you have this. How awesome is that? If you guys are new to my channel, you guys will know that or won't know that I always love to put glue at the bottom of the stick when I'm going to stab it into the styrofoam, only because if people start picking up the centerpiece and start looking at it and see what an awesome job you did on it, I don't want the stick to come out because nothing's securing it. So the quick fix to that is hot glue at the bottom. You don't need a whole bunch, and then you just stab it like so. And what you want to do is let it be like that. Usually, like I said, when I do a multiple of them, I go ahead and start stabbing them in the styrofoam, and then I put them to the side, and it allows them to actually super dry the stick to the styrofoam, and you absolutely know that it's not going anywhere. But because I'm not doing 12 in a row, we're just gonna go ahead and move to the next step. And the next step, guys, is putting the tissue paper. My tissue paper is regular tissue paper that you buy at Walmart or Party City, or even, I would say the Dollar Tree. Even though the Dollar Tree, it's not that great of a quality, I tend to stay away from the Dollar Tree. But if these centerpieces are for yourself and you don't mind going to the Dollar Tree and, the reason with Dollar Tree tissue paper is you're going to need 4 tissue papers, 4 little squares to get the color you want versus just using 2. So in the end, I would just go to Party City or Walmart. And I'm going to use 3 colors, guys. I'm going to use the yellow, baby pink, and hot pink, only because those are the 3 colors that I see on here. I do see black, but I don't want to use black. And the way I do this, guys, is I get 2 of my squares, I overlap them, and go up, just like so. I'm going to put hot glue right here, and then I press it against the box. So we're going to do that with the hot pink. We're going to do it with the baby pink. And then we move on to the yellow. And there you guys have it. How cute is this? Now, I was just doing the project. I was, stuffing it, and I thought, how cute would it be if I add a little rhinestone right there in the middle, or even little ones on her eyes so it could just pop out. You could do a lot of things with this, actually outline the little bow she has on top with glitter glue. It's just really up to you guys. This is where you guys take my idea and make it your own, and you guys make it for your party or theme. I really did think these came out cute. I love the color scheme, the yellow and the baby pink and the hot pink. I really do like it, guys. Like I said, I love trying new themes. I love your guys' suggestions. I've had a lot of suggestions to make an LOL centerpiece for LOL Surprise dolls. And like I said, a lot of you guys asked me, do you have any pictures? And now I can say, yes, I have pictures. So thank you so much for recommending to do this centerpiece, guys. I love it. So guys, this has been it for this centerpiece. I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you guys like it. Before you leave it, guys, again, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to share this awesome centerpiece. Till then, guys, bye.